So welcome to another video, and we're on number 4, which is Wormwood in the series of 30 herbs for better gut health. So let's look at what we're going to cover today. We're going to look at the part used, how to collect, the constituents, drying and preservation methods, the actions of the herb, many health benefits it has, how to prepare and the dosage, where you can buy it, and any risks or cautions. So the parts used are the leaves and the flowering tops. For collection, the leaves and the flowering tops are gathered at the end of the flowering period between July and September. Drying and preparation. The herb should be dried with care so that its aromatic and volatile properties are not lost. Store in an airtight container after drying to avoid the moisture being reabsorbed. So wormwood is rich in essential oils, and some of these are hard to pronounce. I'll try some. Absinthe oil, isovaleric acid, flavonoid glycosides. So you can have a go at them yourself. But basically wormwood is a bitter, and these essential oils are what make it bitter and give it its qualities. So the actions of wormwood, as mentioned, it's a bitter tonic. It's a carminative, so it's calming in the gut. It's an antihelminthic, which is anti-worms. It kills bad bacteria, and it's an anti-inflammatory. So many health benefits of wormwood include stimulates digestion, improves appetite, improves absorption, improves liver function, reduces heartburn, reduces indigestion, stimulates the brain. It's an immune booster, reduces arthritis, and helps to balance gut flora. So a really powerful herb with really strong benefits to our overall health. Wormwood has many health benefits, as mentioned earlier, and there is a huge amount of research being conducted on wormwood for other health conditions, and this research looks at its impact on patients with Crohn's disease, another major gut issue. So for preparation and dose, it's taken generally as an infusion and a tincture. Infusion, as usual, we boil a cup of water, pour over a half to 1 teaspoon of the dried herb and infuse for about 15 minutes. And this can be drunk about 3 times a day. It can be drunk cool from a bottle, or it can be drunk warm from tea, as a tea and infusion. Or it can be taken as a tincture, 1 to 4 mils 3 times a day. Where to buy it? Well, you can buy it in your local health store, dried leaves or with the flowers, as a dried herb. Or you can buy it on Amazon as a capsule form. In the capsule form, you're not going to get the bitter tastes because you're just swallowing it. In the tea, you'll get the bitters. And it's those bitter tastes that have particular impact, signaling to the digestive system. Main cautionary advice is to avoid during pregnancy or breastfeeding and avoid giving to children. Remember, you can follow me over on Instagram, where you'll catch up with a lot of content that I'm doing there, and be kept up to date on my online course. And obviously in the link below you'll see a link to a free guide to 30 herbs for better gut health. You just drop in your email there and I'll email it to you as soon as I get your notification. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Here are the sources.